Good morning guys from Crete, and we are on a tour with Urban Adventure, and to be honest everyone got something different, but I'm sure that first we are going to visit a monastery, and after that we are going to a cooking class and winery, and after that we are going for gorge walking probably.
So Arkadi was the only monastery that was active during the Muslim occupation of the island that lasted in between 1645 and 1897, when we declared our independence. So the case was that the Muslims found a very cosmopolitan society in Crete. Different religions were represented, so they were pretty fierce in their approach. They forbade the operation of every temple. It was only Islam that would be allowed to be practiced publicly. But in the case of Arkadi, we had a unique situation. So Arkadi was hosting a monk that was, he was able to speak the Turkish tongue. So he approached the Sultan in his mother tongue, asking him to spare the monastery. He offered him many goods, I assume a small percentage of the production of the monks as well. So the monastery of Arkadi was spared, and this was the only Christian monastery that was active during the Muslim occupation.
We visited the monastery, and next stop is going to be a village, probably cooking class, hopefully. But we are definitely going to a village. I think it's the very first time that you are seeing me that I'm going to cook, but I usually cook. Make the tomato empty, then we can stuff it in. She said this is perfect for the first time. The mess I made, I have to grate it.
And a bit of olive oil.
Yeah, of course.
We are going to the kitchen.
You leave us now?
Yes.
Let's go! Wow, watermelon. There is a tap for olive oil. And what is this one? Wine.
Also olive oil.
Also olive oil. This is mine. I'm not giving this salad to anyone. I'm going to have my own salad. I mean, the salad I put the oil on it. It's time to try what we made. Actually, it's not the same, but this one is good. It's really good. It was so tasty. I don't know who is going to eat the meal we made, but the one we had, it was so good, and I'm sure the one we made is so tasty and yummy. And I don't know why I came from this way. are watching it on a video, but you don't know the smell. Lucky you.
Our wine is based on only on Cretan varieties, Cretan grapes. We haven't anyone else, anything else. And next to us is a young vineyard. It is only 2 years old.
All of these places, and you're going to find hundreds of family wineries in Crete, they have just made their collective. So they try to market and brand themselves collectively, and they put all of their focus, all of their energy into the cultivation and the exposure of the local varieties.
At the end of our tour, we went for a walk through a gorge.
Just explain, this spring never gets dry, even during the dry summer, and you can drink them. Our tour is over. It was a really short walk, but it was refreshing after wine, food and everything. I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.
It's mine!